friends, welcome back to DS Labs. I hope you might have seen our last video which was on free online course providing platforms. We spoke about 5 course providing platforms in that video. This is the second part of that video, and here also we will be talking about 5 course providing platforms, and there is another bonus platform at the end of the video. So stay tuned, and without further ado, let's get into the video.
So first, let us start off with Google certification program. Just go to your favorite browser and type Google certification in the search bar. As you can see, the first link is in regards with cloud related certification, which actually has 3 kinds of certification in it: the foundational certification, associate certification, and professional certification. A beginner can start off with the foundational certification, which would help in understanding the basics of Google Cloud. There is also different streams under the professional certification, which could be selected based on the candidate's interest. The next link under the Google certification would be Google's Skill Shop. This enables user to learn new skills using the tools provided by Google in order to start a business or improve one. The topic sections in the top right displays various topics such as Google Ads, Google Marketing Platform, Google Analytics, and Google Applied Digital Skills, and so on. These courses may not provide certification but will help enhance the new skills. One other link under the Google certification is the Grow with Google, which also helps in acquiring new skills to grow one's business or to reach one's career goals. These courses are actually other platforms. These courses are from other platforms which Google considers to be good and are suggesting users to take them. Let me show you guys an example here. I'm selecting business growth, and moving down below, you can see discover how to lead innovative organization. This is a course from Coursera. By clicking the sign up button, it is being redirected to the course page on Coursera. So these are some of the certifications and certification links offered by Google. Don't worry, all the links will be given in the description below. Next, we'll look into another platform that is just like Coursera. It's called edX. There are more than 3,000 courses taught on different subjects from the world's best institutions. You have courses ranging from arts to engineering, from history to science, and much more, as you see. They also offer programs and degrees which are actually handled by the institutions itself. The only drawback of edX is that though the courses are free of cost, certification can be bought only by making a payment. However, a certification from this platform might also be considered for college grading. If you can't afford for certification in edX, you always have Coursera, which offers financial aid, and I've spoken about it in my previous video. So if you haven't checked it out, I will leave a link to it down below. Next, we'll look into 2 platforms that are offered by world's best institutions, which are Harvard University's online learning and MIT's OpenCourseWare. First, let's check out Harvard University's online learning platform. The UI is so elegant that you can find any course of interest in a jiffy. A candidate can use the search filters given here to search for the course that is of their interest. Here, you can select your favorite subject, the price you can afford for taking the subject, when you wish to start, your preferred school, the duration of the course, and the difficulty of it based on your knowledge. It too has various courses like programming, business, health and medicine, etc. Next, we'll look into MIT's OpenCourseWare. Though the interface is a bit cramped up, a candidate is able to find what they're looking for pretty easily. Moreover, these lectures are actually recorded during live classes, and a doubt clearing forum is available too. The only drawback of this platform is no quizzes or projects can be submitted to get a certificate. The fourth platform on our list is NPTEL. It is funded by the Government of India and the subjects are taught by professors of IITs and IISCs. There are all kinds of subjects which are taught in a duration of 4 weeks, 8 weeks and 12 weeks. Moreover, there is an examination held once the course gets completed, and upon passing it, certificates will be issued to the candidate. This certification can boost a student's credit if they are currently pursuing studies in any college or university. Now for the bonus. Oracle Company's education platform called Oracle University is providing Oracle Cloud Infrastructure training as well as certification at free of cost up until 31st December 2021. This is a great opportunity for securing a global certificate from the leading company. They are offering 5 courses and you can select either one or more as per you like. All you have to do is go to this website education.oracle.com and click on the Start Learning Now button. You'll be taken back to this page wherein you have to go create an account using this Create an Account button. After creating, you'll be sent a verification mail. Verify that email and you'll be taken back here with your account logged in. Once you're here, go down below. There are 5 courses to choose from. Choose anything of your preference. For beginners, I would suggest go with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation. Come up here, click on the Start Learning button and you will be taken to this page, which is the first certification program. This course is around 8 to 10 hours long and you have like 4 modules to complete before taking up the exam. The first module will be to create a free tier account on Oracle Cloud. Once you're done with that, then you'll have to attend this Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Foundation, which is around 7 hours long. This is to learn about the examination and the concepts that will be asked in the examination. Once you're done with that, the third module will be to prepare for the certification, like how the exams would be, how the certification would be and all those stuff, what kind of questions might be asked and all those things. The fourth module will be a practice exam wherein you can actually practice how the examination would be, and once you're done with all the 4 modules, you'll be ready to take up the exam. This certification exam is completely online, so you don't have to go anywhere. You can sit at home, take it at your ease. Once you're done with that, if you pass the exam, the certification and a badge will be provided. You can obviously put the certificate, post the certificate on LinkedIn, put it in your resume. Also, you can post the badge on LinkedIn and tell the world that you have completed the certification and you have the talent to work in cloud infrastructure. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and do support us by subscribing to this channel. See you later.